Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today guys, I will show you how to make an easy way how to cut the stars. So please keep watching until the end of my video and hope you guys will like it. So I'm going to use a whole bond construction paper so it make easy for me to show how to do this. But it's up to you guys what size if you want it, and you can do it in different sizes. Then I'm almost done. Then I will show you how I'm going to cut this. So I'm gonna cut it like a diamond shape. So let's see how it looks. Hopefully I get the shape that I want it. Let's see how it goes. So there you go. That's easy, right? So hope you guys you like my video and give me a thumbs up. And if you first time here to my channel, please do subscribe, comment, like, and share, and it helps to grow my channel. Thank you guys, and see you guys next time on my next upload. Bye everyone.